Hello friends! Welcome to my channel. Today we present to you a unique video where superheroes transform into motorcycles. Imagine heroes combining power and speed. Are you ready to witness this transformation? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's dive into the world of superheroes on two wheels. Spider-Man transformed into a sleek motorcycle, speeding through the streets with agility and web-like precision. Groot transformed into a living motorcycle, a sentient vehicle with branches as handlebars and a wooden engine. Wonder Woman transformed into a fierce motorcycle, embodying power, grace, and the spirit of adventure. Deadpool transformed into a motorcycle, a roaring machine with a mischievous spirit and a need for speed. Thor as a motorcycle, a thunderous ride with lightning speed and a striking presence. Aquaman transformed into a mighty motorcycle, ready to ride the waves of justice and style. Black Panther as a motorcycle, a sleek and powerful ride prowling through the streets with elegance and strength. Batman as a motorcycle, a roaring DC on wheels ready to race through the night. Captain America, a roaring motorcycle with a star-spangled design, ready to race into heroic adventures. Thanos as a motorcycle, a formidable machine with a relentless drive to conquer the roads. Superman transformed into a sleek motorcycle, blazing through the streets with unstoppable power. Hulk, a roaring beast on wheels, a green fury tearing through the streets with unstoppable power. Valkyrie as a motorcycle, roaring through battles with a fierce spirit and unwavering determination. Ant-Man transformed into a sleek motorcycle, combining speed, agility, and tiny proportions, ready for thrilling adventures. Wolverine, a fierce mutant with adamantium claws, transformed into a motorcycle, ready for high-speed adventures. Iron Man, a sleek motorcycle of metal and power, blazing through the streets, ready to save the day. Joker, a motorcycle embodiment of chaos, with a wild grin and an unpredictable ride. Loki in the form of a motorcycle, a mischievous ride with an unpredictable twist straight from Marvel Comics. Winter Soldier, a steel-hearted motorcycle revving up with deadly precision in the fight against evil. Star-Lord, a cosmic biker with a helmet of galaxies, rides through the universe, leaving trails of stardust. Green Lantern as a motorcycle, a blazing symbol of justice speeding through the night to protect the innocent. Heimdall as a motorcycle, a Marvel Comics character, a fierce guardian with wheels of steel. If you enjoy watching my videos, feel free to leave a comment with your favorite superhero, and I'll make sure to create content specifically tailored to them, just for you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.